So this is going to be the first video in a series of me taking down my parents' old fence and putting up a new one. So let's take a look. First, I'm detaching the panels from the posts and just knocking them down and moving them aside. And this fence, it's an old fence. I think it was there when my parents bought the house. So it's over 20 years old. And you can see that one post just snapped right off because it was dry rotted. Some of these posts were actually rotted all the way through, and that fence was just held up by some metal stakes I put in. Now here I am working on taking out the old footing, and I wasn't so good efficiently at it at first. You can see I was just trying to chisel around it and loosen it up. So it took me forever to get the posts out, and I got better at it as time went on. You'll see later in this video the soil was softer than the other ones, but they came out a lot quicker because I didn't dig around the posts. I just used the bar to knock them loose and pull them out, kind of like pulling teeth. But yeah, this first one I was just going at it. And here we go, I finally got it. Pulled it out. Oh yeah. Now here I am. To pull out these metal sticks I put in the ground that was holding up the fence where the post had rotted, I bought myself a high lift jack, and then I took a piece of steel and drilled some holes in it to hook to the high lift jack, and then also to hook onto the post. And this worked really great for pulling out those metal posts. Just pulled it straight on out. Now see, on this one I just used that metal bar, and I tried wiggling it at first, and then I went around it with the bar and loosened up the soil and loosened up the concrete, and was able to just pull it right on out. Did the same technique on this other one here. I think these were in there in some softer soil to begin with, but this might have also worked on that original one that I was taking all that time on. But this is a pretty good method. One thing I did wish when I was doing this is that I had like a tractor or something that I could hook a chain to, wrap around the posts and use that to pull them out. That would have been nice.